Welcome to Preyo Promo, where you learn simple tech tricks to customize and control your browser like a pro. Downloaded a Chrome extension file but don't know how to install it? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add a Chrome extension from a file using developer mode in just a few steps. Step 1. Open the Chrome extensions page launch. Google Chrome, then click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select Extensions. Manage Extensions, or simply type Chrome. Extensions in the address bar. Before we continue, tap subscribe to keep your tech game strong with Preyo Promo's step-by-step guides. Step 2. Enable developer mode. On the extensions page, look at the top right corner and turn on the developer mode toggle. Once enabled, new options will appear, including Load Unpacked, Pack Extension, and Update. Step 3. Load the extension file. Click the Load Unpacked button to open the file browser on your computer. Navigate to the folder containing the extension files, select it, and Chrome will instantly install the extension. And that's how you can add a Chrome extension directly from a file using developer mode. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more quick and powerful tech tutorials.